Alright, let's have a closer look at Motul's Perfect Seat. Now this is for the fussy riders out there just like me that like to keep their bike looking like new and looking factory. Motul's Perfect Seat dries evenly and leaves a protective dry non-greasy sheen, not like other products. The last thing you want on your bike is a slippery seat. Perfect Seat cleans your seat and brings it back to looking like new. Now all the manufacturers tell you don't wash your seat when you're washing your bike because it can ruin the foam in your seat over time. So this is a perfect way to clean your seat. Go and get yourself a bottle at your local dealers.